In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and save content ideas in Buffer using the Ideas feature. First, open Buffer. When it loads, you'll land on the Publish dashboard. This is your home base for planning and organizing social posts. From here, we're heading straight to a dedicated space for brainstorming, so you can capture thoughts before they slip away. Look to the left sidebar and click Create. This opens up tools designed to help you plan content efficiently. Next, click Ideas. Think of Ideas as your digital notepad inside Buffer, a central place to collect sparks, drafts, and reminders without the pressure of finishing a post right away. Now click the Plus New Idea button. This creates a fresh draft where you can store everything you don't want to forget. Start by adding your draft content. You can jot down caption ideas, sketch out post concepts, list potential hashtags, and write any notes that help you remember the purpose or context. Keep it simple but specific. Future you will thank you when it's time to polish. If you're collecting inspiration, it's helpful to note the source or the goal of the post right in your draft, so you know exactly why it matters later. If you have visuals ready, add media to your idea. Dropping in an image or a short video can lock in your creative direction and save time when you come back to build the final post. If you're not ready with assets yet, no problem. This step is completely optional. You can always return and attach media when it's available. When your draft feels solid enough to hold the core of your idea, click Save. This locks your idea into the Ideas section so it's safe, searchable, and ready for you whenever inspiration strikes again. Saving early is a great habit. It ensures nothing gets lost if you switch tasks or step away. Whenever you're ready to refine or use the draft later, come back to the Ideas section. From the left sidebar, open Create, then choose Ideas to find your saved work. You can open any idea, expand on it, adjust the wording, update your notes and hashtags, or add media as needed. When the concept is ready to move forward, you'll already have the foundation in place, making the transition from idea to finished post smooth and efficient. That's it. With Buffer's Ideas feature, you'll keep your creative momentum going, capture content the moment it comes to you, and return to it later with clarity and confidence.